I am not leaving this on very long, and I'm gonna rinse it out right now. I still have hair, yay! Now I'm gonna go get some blue or purple shampoo. Maybe mix a little bit of both, let's see what happens. Go to my supply shop here. Alright, so I'm using the blue shampoo, and sorry I did not know this event was going to take 3 different parts. But here we are. I'm gonna let that sit. And then I'm gonna dry this, and then I'm gonna put a toner on it, and then we're gonna have the final results. I promise. So here's what it looks like after 2 rounds of bleach, and then the blue shampoo. You can tell the ends have a little bit of a blue tinge because they are damaged, okay? So remember, I did have old bleach highlights, and that's exactly what it went over. So if I were to want to go to this light, I would probably have to cut that off, and knowing that I would have to cut off, I don't know, an inch or 2. Now I'm going to mix up some toner. At this point, I'm only using this foil to keep this neat and so that you guys can see what I'm doing here, okay? I'm happy to share a toner, but the thing is, if the color is not the same, it's never going to come out the same, all right? One other thing, and I want this to be very clear, I don't recommend you doing bleach at home, only because so many things can go wrong. Y'all remember, this is just one piece of my hair, right? If my timing is off by a little bit, a huge hair disaster can happen. It has happened, but I also get it. Like, if you can't afford it, if you can't go to the salon, I understand. But that's why I urge you guys to do a strand test first, see what your hair will lift to, see if there's any previous damage on your hair that will then come up, right? That was 3 years ago that I got my hair fried off, and you can see those ends were fried. And I want you to pay attention to this really well. Look at how dark my ends are grabbing with the same toner that is all over. So what I mixed up is actually a concoction of things, and that's why it's really important that you go to a trained professional, because they're gonna mix up several different things, and some will be different than what they put on the root area, the mid area, and the ends. So keep that in mind. Again, this is not meant to scare you or, talk you out of bleaching your hair at home, but I do recommend bleaching at the salon. Another round in my future? I think so.